Hello and welcome to PM Academy. Nano Banana 2 is here, and there are many claims about it. Google says it can keep 5 characters and 14 objects consistent across different images. So I decided to put this to the test to check if it's true or just an advertising stunt. So without further delay, let's get started. Just a little reminder, if you feel this video is useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here we are. Nano Banana 2 is available at various places, and I am going to test it in Google Flow, which in my opinion is the best place where it performs extremely well. Here I have already created the prompts. First, I will create a base or initial image, and by providing that image as a reference, I will change the angles and positions of the characters. So let's do it. Just copy the prompt and paste it here. Here we go. It's generating the image. Okay, the image has been created with 5 characters and 14 objects. Let's add this image as a reference and create the next image. Okay, the next image is here. Wow, I think it did an amazing job. Let's look at all the characters one by one. In my opinion, all the characters are consistent. Now let's create 3 more images by keeping the first image as a reference. Here we have all 5 images, and to be very honest, it did a great job. Just imagine animating between these images. What kind of results would you get? Let me know in the comments what you think about these results. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.